Welcome to Taranker's YouTube channel. Today, Taranker proudly presents Attribuly, a cutting-edge Shopify app designed to revolutionize your marketing analytics. Say goodbye to data inaccuracies and hello to precise attribution insights that drive smarter business decisions. Now, let's get to the key features of Attribuly. Attribuly empowers over thousands of Shopify merchants to track customer journeys from first interaction to final purchase, revealing how buyers engage with your campaigns. Measure true ROI with multi-touch attribution models that allocate credit to every customer touchpoint. Utilize first-party data for enhanced accuracy and privacy compliance. Seamlessly integrate with platforms like Facebook, Google, and TikTok to gather comprehensive insights. Leverage server-side tracking to capture data even from users with ad blockers. With Attribuly, you can gain actionable insights to make smarter, data-driven decisions. Key benefits for Shopify merchants. Why choose Attribuly? Boost marketing efficiency by identifying top-performing channels. Enhance ROAS, return on ad spend, with accurate data-driven strategies. Simplify complex data into actionable insights for better decision-making. Enjoy seamless integration and user-friendly setup tailored for Shopify merchants. Shopify users love how Attribuly transforms their marketing performance with ease. Ready to elevate your marketing analytics? Install Attribuly today and click Unlock Deal. Email the publisher code to receive our exclusive 50% off first month offer for Taranker users. Visit Taranker.com to redeem this offer and improve the performance of your Shopify store. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more expert tips from Taranker.